Most people treat money passively, letting it slip through their fingers without a clear plan or understanding. They react to financial stress instead of preparing for it, often feeling overwhelmed by bills and expenses that seem to pile up endlessly. They hope there's enough left at the end of the month, crossing their fingers that their paycheck will stretch just far enough to cover the basics. This cycle of uncertainty and anxiety is all too common, and it keeps people stuck in a pattern of scarcity. But here's the truth. Money is something you can control. If you want to stop playing catch-up and start getting ahead, you need to change your mindset. Taking charge of your finances means being proactive, setting goals, and making intentional choices every day. Think of money as a game with its own set of rules. Just like in chess or any strategy game, understanding the rules gives you an advantage and helps you make smarter moves. Master these 20 rules and you'll move from a mindset of scarcity to one of abundance. You'll feel more confident, more in control, and better equipped to build real wealth over time. These aren't Wall Street secrets reserved for the elite. They're foundational principles that wealthy people use every single day, and anyone can learn them. So let's break down the 20 fundamental rules of money you need to know. Rules that can transform your financial life, no matter where you're starting from. Rule number 1. Money is a game. It's not emotional. It's about accumulating assets and generating cash flow. Some play offense, some play defense, but winners do both. See money as a game, detach from losses, and learn from every play. Stop being a bystander, become an active player. Your goal: build a net worth that grows over time. Rule 2. Don't be a hater of money. If you resent wealth, you'll push it away. Money is a tool, neutral by itself. Adopt an abundance mindset. Believe there's enough for everyone, and you deserve it. Let go of negative beliefs about money and wealthy people. See money as a force for good and a resource for freedom. Rule 3. Wealth building is a doubles game. Focus on increasing your income. You can only cut expenses so much, but there's no limit to what you can earn. Develop skills, start a side hustle, or invest for passive income. Frugality keeps you in the game, but higher income lets you win. Don't just play defense, get on offense and start scoring. Rule 4. Always negotiate your job offers and salary. This is one of the most important steps you can take in your career, no matter your experience level or industry. Negotiation isn't just about money, it's about valuing your skills, experience, and the unique perspective you bring to the table. Companies expect you to negotiate. Don't leave money or benefits on the table. Employers often have a range in mind, and the first offer is rarely their best. By negotiating, you show confidence and professionalism, and you may unlock additional perks like bonuses, flexible hours, or extra vacation days. Even a small raise compounds over your career, adding up to huge gains. A few $1,000s more now can mean tens of thousands over time, especially when you factor in future raises and retirement contributions. Do your research, come prepared, and ask if there's flexibility. Use online resources, talk to peers, and know the market rate for your role. Preparation gives you the confidence to ask for what you deserve. Be polite but firm. Your future raises depend on this. Practicing your pitch can help you stay calm and focused during the conversation. Remember, negotiation is a normal part of the hiring process. The worst they can say is no, but often you'll get more. Even if the answer is no, you've demonstrated self-advocacy and professionalism, which can leave a positive impression. Never accept the first offer. Take your time, evaluate the full package, and remember, negotiating now sets the tone for your future growth and earnings. Rule 5. Invest in yourself. Your skills and knowledge are your greatest assets. Improving them increases your earning power. Take courses, read, and keep learning. This is the one investment with guaranteed returns. Commit to lifelong learning and watch your value grow. Rule 6. Build an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months' expenses. This is your financial firewall, your buffer against disaster. Keep it liquid, separate, and only for true emergencies. Calculate your bare-bones expenses and automate savings until you hit your target. Don't touch it unless it's a real emergency. This fund is the foundation of financial freedom. Rule 7. Protect your credit score. A high score unlocks better rates and opportunities. A low score shuts doors. Pay every bill on time, Keep credit utilization low and don't close old accounts. Set up autopay and monitor your credit regularly. Treat your credit score as a valuable asset. It can save you thousands over your lifetime. Rule 8. Avoid impulse purchases with the waiting period rule. For small buys, wait a day. For bigger ones, wait a week. For major purchases, wait a month. This gap helps you separate wants from needs. Most urges fade. If not, you'll know it's worth it. This keeps your spending intentional and aligned with your goals. Rule 9. Buy quality over cheap. Cheap items break and cost more over time. Invest in things that last. Focus on value, not just price. Do your research and buy durable goods for frequent use. Long-term value is a hallmark of financial wisdom. Rule 10. Learn to cook at home. Eating out drains your budget. Home-cooked meals save thousands a year. Start with simple recipes and meal prep for the week. It's healthier and saves time too. Build this habit for immediate impact on your finances. Small changes here add up fast. Rule 11. Set up a secret savings account. Automate transfers to a separate, hard-to-access account right after payday. Out of sight, out of mind. Savings grow without temptation. This pay-yourself-first trick makes saving effortless. Make saving your default, not an afterthought. Rule 12. Don't obsess over strict budgets. Focus on making more money. Track spending to spot leaks, but don't agonize over every dollar. Automate savings, pay fixed costs, and spend the rest guilt-free. If there's not enough left, prioritize increasing your income. Growth beats restriction every time. Rule 13. Study smart investors and financiers. Learn from the strategies and mistakes of the greats. Success leaves clues. Read books, watch interviews, and absorb their mental models. Adapt their principles to your own situation. Stand on the shoulders of giants to see further. Rule 14. Play your own game. Avoid comparison. Social media shows highlight reels, not reality. Compete only with your past self. Track your own progress. Focus on your journey and your definition of success. Financial freedom is a personal race. Rule 15. Befriend moneymakers. Your network shapes your net worth. Surround yourself with ambitious, financially savvy people. Their habits and mindset will rub off on you. Expand your circle, offer value, and learn from their experiences. Your environment is a powerful influence. Rule 16. Understand and use leverage. The wealthy use good debt and other people's resources to build wealth. Leverage can multiply gains if used wisely on appreciating assets. It's not just about debt. Leverage time, expertise, and technology too. Use leverage carefully to accelerate your growth. Rule 17. Focus on acquiring assets, not liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, liabilities take it out. Use your income to buy or create assets, stocks, real estate, businesses. The goal, passive income that covers your expenses. That's financial independence. Rule 18. Don't over-diversify. Focus on high-conviction bets. True wealth is built by concentrating on what you know best. Make big, educated bets where you have an edge. This carries risk, but also higher rewards. Deep expertise is key. Don't just gamble. Rule 19. Maintain an end-of-the-world mentality. Always be prepared for financial storms. Crises will come. Build buffers, avoid over-leverage, and keep cash ready for opportunities. Preparedness brings resilience and lets you profit when others panic. Expect the worst. Position yourself to benefit. Rule 20. Avoid the big check syndrome. Stay humble after success. Don't let a windfall inflate your lifestyle. Pause before making big decisions. Let excitement fade. Use new money to buy assets, pay off debt, and invest for the future. Success is a chance to solidify your wealth, not squander it. Stay disciplined and keep playing the game. That's it. The 20 rules that can truly transform your financial life, no matter where you're starting from. Each rule is a stepping stone, designed to help you build a solid foundation and move forward with confidence. Remember, you don't have to master everything at once. Progress is about taking one step at a time, learning as you go, and celebrating every win along the way. It's not about luck, it's about mindset. principles, and consistent action. The most successful people aren't always the luckiest. They're the ones who stick to their plan, adapt when needed, and keep moving forward even when it gets tough. Your journey is unique and your commitment will set you apart. Start small, pick one rule and build momentum. Even the smallest positive change can spark a chain reaction. Don't underestimate the power of starting today, no matter how modest your first step may seem. Every step compounds, growing your knowledge and net worth over time. Just like planting a seed, your efforts will multiply if you nurture them with patience and persistence. The results may not be instant, but they will be worth it. The money game is a marathon, not a sprint, and you absolutely can win. Stay focused on your goals, pace yourself, and remember that every mile you cover brings you closer to financial freedom. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends or family who might benefit too. Your support helps us reach more people and create even more valuable content. Let's win the money game together, one step, one rule, and one victory at a time. You've got this.